Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is staying lean while traveling, what I eat in a day. So I recently went down to visit my dad in the Palm Springs area. I had to help him out with a few things. And I'm going to show you exactly what I ate on one of the days. I was there for 2 days. On one of the days, I did a 3-mile run outside. And the other day, I did some strength training. I did a gym workout where I did pull-ups, push-ups, and jump squats, and I just did 2 rounds. It was my typical pull, push, leg routine. And there's a spot I like to go to when I'm down there that has really good smoothies and acai bowls. It's called Bowl of Heaven. I get the date almond smoothie. This thing has bananas, dates, almond butter, strawberries, and cinnamon and almond milk. And then a couple hours later, I had a bowl of oatmeal. I had blueberries, bananas, pecans, dried cherries, and a little splash of almond milk on that. And then about an hour later, I had a couple of tangerines, a banana, some dates, and some cashews. And then for dinner at 7 p.m., I had a big salad. I forgot to record it, so I had to eat most of it. And then I had about a half of this vegetarian pizza. So that was it for the day. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more videos. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.